it's a good thing you're asking about cost, because one of the most stressful things about caregiving is the cost of care. And most people don't plan for it until there's a crisis. And unfortunately, if you don't plan ahead, you are probably going to have less options, and often things are going to be more expensive. So on average, the hourly rate is about $24 an hour for home care. Well, that can really start to add up if your parent needs 6-8 hours a day, or if they need 24-hour home care. What about nursing home care? On average, the median cost is over $100,000 annually. Now, most people haven't saved up for that. So how do you plan ahead? Well, the first thing is to understand what the costs are, and then how do you save? Some people save specifically for long-term care. Others assume that they might be eligible for Medicaid, which is health insurance available to people who are income eligible. But here again, it's really important to plan ahead, because if you apply for Medicaid 2 months before your parent needs it, probably won't work. You have to plan 5 years ahead of time on average, because they will look back to your assets and any transfers that have occurred. Now, this can get really, really confusing. So my recommendation is that you consult an expert. Elder law attorneys, often in the state where your family member resides, can be incredibly helpful in sorting all of this out. When we were figuring it out for my dad, who did ultimately need a nursing home, we did have an elder law attorney. And ultimately, we did some research, and because he was a veteran, he was eligible for veterans benefits. And many people forget that this is an option. So understanding that A, this stuff is really complicated, B, there is information out there, and C, there are experts who can help guide you through this maze, can really make a difference as you start to plan ahead and figure out what's going to work best for your family member.